Wildhiker just gifted me the RestAngle camping chair, and this is one really nice chair. To start off with, it's very sturdy. It's not gonna flip on you or fall over. As long as you have it on a relatively sturdy surface, it should be good. On top of that, I love the high back. I'm 5'11", and this is very comfortable. It has these armrest elements here that actually kind of fold out if you push your elbows on them to kind of give you really nice arm supports. It has pockets on both sides. You can fit just a phone in them or something small. This one on this side slightly bigger. You could fit a can in this one if you wanted to, though I do feel like it might be better to just put those on the ground. And then the pillow is adjustable. Right now I have it low down so I could take a nap, but I could also put it up to kind of prop my head in place. And if you want, it's completely optional, so you can remove it as well. Now, the one thing I would say about this is, probably because it's brand new, it does take a little bit of strength to get it put together, but it is very intuitive. And let me show you how it all works. Now, since I have it put together, I'm going to show how easy it is to take it apart first, and then we'll put it back together. Take off that pillow, and then it really does just pull apart. I'm going to start at the bottom here. It has little grab hooks for each section, so you can just unlatch it, and then on the back, you'll see that it actually goes down the whole post, so you can just pull those right up, and then this can just be rolled together. And you can roll everything all in one, just like that. And it has this great bag that we're gonna shove it all in. But before I shove this in, I wanna take this apart. And for this, these really do just slide apart very easily. And what you'll want to do is take everything down on one side and then just wrap it with the Velcro. And then do the same thing on the other side. It's really intuitive how it works, and there's really no way to mess this part up. And then once you have it like this, it has this little latch right here. You just want to push that, and the whole thing slides closed. And then you'll just want to shove it in the bag. And the bag does have the space, so it's not really a fight, even though I didn't wrap that really well. Really nice zipper on the bag. The bag also has a handle, and it has an adjustable shoulder strap, so you can just hang it on your side as you're carrying everything else. So really nice. Now, of course, I gotta put it back together for you. So I'm gonna unzip it and do everything in reverse. So pop this out until it latches, undo these, and I'm just gonna undo them to start. And then you'll see that everything really does just want to go to its home. So you just kind of start popping everything into where it obviously pops into. And then the last pieces will be these longer pieces. And then once you pop the longer pieces into place, this is the moment that you need to remember that these can bend, because they'll need to come in a little bit for this piece to go on. You can just start kind of sliding it on one side, but before you slide it too far on one side, you want to bring the other one over and slide it down that side too. And it slides on so nice and clean. It has this sturdy element on the top. Just make sure it's all the way on. And the bottom is also pretty obvious, very sturdy corners. These corners are made to last. You'll see that everything has a grab point, but the first one shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna tip it up just so it's easier for you to see. But I just wanna grab this and yank it and pull it on. It is still challenging, I'm gonna tell you. You gotta have a little bit of arm strength for this. Now the next one, same thing, it has the hook. This is going to be the hardest one. So I'm gonna yank, and I'm kind of using my foot as well to make it easier for me, but do it however it's easiest for you. I find tipping the chair up like this is making it much easier, and that's it. This chair is super sturdy, ready to go, and then I can just slide on the pillow. And if you don't want to lose the bag and plan to move this chair around a lot, this is not too hard to deal with. You could just hook it in the back of the pillow, or these Velcro pieces down on the bottom are kind of great because you can use them when the chair's in use to hold things in place. And there you have it. This is one fantastic chair. I am so thrilled I was gifted it. I will definitely be using it moving forward. If you've been looking for a really nice hiking, camping, concert, park chair, something that you can just pop up wherever you go and actually be comfortable in, this Wildhiker chair has you covered. I hope this video helps.